As they get closer and closer to the believers, فَضُرِبَ بَيْنَهُمْ بِسُورٍ لَهُ بَابٍ. A massive, gigantic wall is dropped between them. As the wall is dropped, Allah says, بَاطِنُهُ فِيهِ الرَّحْمَةِ. The side they can no longer see, the hidden side of it, that's got mercy and love and care in it. وَظَاهِرُهُ مِنْ قِبَلِهِ الْعَذَابِ. And right behind it, approaching them, is punishment. So not only were they in the dark, now there's a massive wall, you got nowhere to go, and when you look back, there's punishment coming at you. And so a desperate call is made. This is important before we go any further. This is actually the reason I chose these ayat for today's khutbah. This wording, أَلَمْ نَكُمْ مَعَكُمْ. Weren't we with you? The idea is that these people on Judgment Day that are standing on the wrong side of the wall, that are in desperate situation, that have no light of themselves, actually assumed that they belonged among the believing community. They were very confident about that. We did business with you, we were friends with you, we were family with you, we were cousins with you. We went to the same college, university. We're all the same, guys. How are we separated today? Why is this separation happening today?